Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset, and here we've got the option Reset Phone. At the top we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Network and Bluetooth Settings. Let's tap on it. Here we have to verify our identity, so either enter our screen lock or fingerprint, whatever, and then tap on Reset and wait until this process will be finished. Here we've got the confirmation. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.